County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Menominee Falls, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Mequon, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Sussex, Soapville, Bayside, Seamsville, Belgium, Butler, River Hills, Lanyon, Ridgefield, Colgate, Harrington Beach, St. Park, and New Business. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This has been your weather.